The AI millionaire blueprint nobody is talking about in 2026. There is a YouTube channel called School of Hard Knocks, and they do something very interesting. They sit down with some of the wealthiest and most successful people on the planet.
But let's do it,
my man. Let's go. What was the most amount of money you made in a single year?
I did pretty good. Our private jet company did over $5 billion in sales, so we did pretty
serious?
good. Yeah.
How much did you?
And they asked them one question. If you could invest in just one thing right now, what would it be? You would expect different answers. Real estate, gold, stocks, crypto. But something remarkable keeps happening. Almost every single one of them says the same thing. AI. Not occasionally, not sometimes. Every single time. Now ask yourself this. When the people who already have everything keep pointing at one thing, should you not be paying attention? Because here is what they are not telling you in those interviews. You do not need $1 billion to profit from AI. You just need the blueprint. And that is exactly what we are covering today. Welcome to Wealth Forge. Own your economy. Let us start with the big picture. We have seen wealth transfers before in history. The Industrial Revolution created factory owners. The internet created tech billionaires. Social media created influencer millionaires. Every single time a new technology emerged, a small group of early movers got incredibly wealthy, and the majority who ignored it got left behind. AI is that moment right now. McKinsey estimates AI will add $13 trillion to the global economy by 2030. That wealth has to go somewhere. The question is, will it go to you? The billionaires on School of Hard Knocks are not excited about AI because they are tech nerds. They are excited because they understand one fundamental truth about wealth. Whoever controls the most powerful tools of their generation builds the most wealth. In 2026, AI is that tool. And for the first time in history, it is available to everyone. So how do ordinary people actually use AI to build wealth? It starts with picking your lane. There are 3 ways to make money with AI. Number 1, sell AI services. Use AI tools to deliver services to businesses who need them. Copywriting, video editing, social media management, customer support automation. Businesses are paying thousands of dollars for these services every single month. Number 2, sell AI-powered products. Create digital products using AI. Ebooks, online courses, templates, Notion dashboards, financial planners. Build once, sell forever. Number 3, AI-powered investing. This is where ordinary people are building serious wealth quietly. AI tools now analyze markets in real time. They identify opportunities. They manage risk automatically. Robo-advisors powered by AI are growing portfolios for people who know nothing about finance. You do not need a finance degree. You do not need $10,000 to start. You just need the right tools and the knowledge of how to use them. This is the lane that builds wealth while you sleep. No trading experience required. You do not need to master all 3. Pick one lane, go deep, go fast. Now let us talk about what makes this moment truly different from any wealth opportunity before it. In the past, to start a business, you needed capital. You needed connections. You needed years of experience. AI has eliminated every single one of those barriers. Today, there are AI tools that write for you, better than most copywriters. AI tools that design for you, better than most graphic designers. AI tools that analyze data for you, better than most financial analysts. AI tools that automate your entire business workflow without a single employee. Tasks that used to cost thousands of dollars per month can now be done in minutes. For almost nothing. A 22-year-old in Canada, a single mother in Atlanta, a student in London, all operating at the same level as a company with a full team. That is the equalizer nobody is talking about. AI does not care about your background. It does not care about your accent. It does not care where you went to school. It only responds to one thing: the person willing to learn and take action. Are you that person? The billionaires pointing at AI are not pointing at the complexity. They are pointing at the opportunity. And the opportunity is sitting right in your hands every time you pick up your phone. Now I have to be honest with you. Most people watching this video will not become millionaires from AI. Not because they cannot, but because of one thing. in action. They will watch this video. They will feel inspired for 24 hours, and then they will go back to scrolling social media and doing nothing. The billionaires on School of Hard Knocks did not build wealth by watching videos. They built wealth by making decisions and taking action faster than everyone else. The AI window is open right now, but windows do not stay open forever. The internet made millionaires between 1995 and 2005. Social media made millionaires between 2010 and 2020. AI is making millionaires between 2023 and 2028. You are right in the middle of that window. The only question that matters is, what are you going to do about it? So let us make this practical. Here is your 30-day AI action plan starting today. Week 1, pick your lane. Spend 1 hour per day learning the top 2 AI tools in that lane. Week 2, create your first AI-powered product or service. It does not need to be perfect, it needs to exist. Week 3, put it in front of people. Post about it, share it, sell it. Use AI to create content that drives traffic to your offer every single day. Week 4, analyze what is working. Double down on it. Cut what is not. 30 days from now, you will be further ahead than 90% of people who watched the same interviews on School of Hard Knocks and did nothing. The blueprint is not complicated. What is complicated is convincing yourself that you can actually do this. You can. Let us bring this full circle. When billionaires, people who have already won the money game, keep pointing at AI as the one thing they would invest in, that is not a coincidence. That is a signal, and WealthForge exists to make sure you never miss another signal again. If this video gave you value, subscribe to WealthForge right now, because every week we bring you the blueprint the wealthy already know. Comment below, which of the 3 AI lanes are you starting with? Services, products, or brand building? This is WealthForge. Own your economy, and your economy starts today.